Welcome back to Unit 12, Day 3. We left off right at the end of our notes. We're just finishing up using trig to find the apothem in order to find the area of a regular polygon. So right now we've set up our triangle. We found this leg is 6 because each side is 12, and that's just half of it. We figured out that this angle is 36 degrees because it's a pentagon. Therefore, each full triangle angle is 72, and when we cut it in half, that's 36. So I've just gone ahead and redrawn this right triangle over here so it looks like one of the problems that we're more familiar with. Now, as you can see, we have an angle, we have a leg, and we are looking for the other leg. And if you remember back to your foldable, we are going to use trig, one of the SOHCAHTOAs. Okay, so first we always label, this is my angle, therefore the opposite side is over here. My hypotenuse is across from the right angle, which means this is the adjacent. We're not using the hypotenuse for this problem. We have the opposite and adjacent. Oh, forgot to finish the TOA. Because we are using tangent, we have the opposite and adjacent. So tangent of my angle is equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent. And now we can solve for x. And the adjacent is actually going to be our apothem. So if we have x in the denominator right now, which means we need to get it out of there. So we multiply both sides by x. We're left with tangent of 36x is equal to 6. We need to get x by itself, so divide both sides by tangent of 36. And then all you do is simply plug that in your calculator. I will do this too. 6 divided by tangent of 36. And x is approximately 0.774. Okay? And x, like I said before, is actually our apothem. Now, if you remember from the last video, we already solved for our perimeter, which is equal to 60. 12 times 5. Now that we have the apothem, we can simply put it in our formula for area. So area is going to equal 1/2 times the apothem, 0.774, times the area, the perimeter, which is 60. Plug that in the calculator. Doing it right now. And the area is equal to 23.22. That's just another way we can use the information that we've learned in previous units to solve for what we're looking for in this current unit. So that's the end of the notes. Now for the remainder of class you have a quizzes. There's a link on Google Classroom that you can go and click and then enter the code. That is due by the end of class today. No exceptions. And then you have your homework that will also be handed out to you if it isn't already. There are 12 questions on that, and it is to be submitted online. I hope you have a good day. Yeah.